watchOS 9 is now available in public beta. Here are my favorite new features. Welcome everybody to AppleInsider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe and enable those notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you missed the big news, watchOS 9, along with iOS 16, iPadOS 16, macOS Ventura, HomePod Update 16, and tvOS 16, is now available for you to try. Anybody can download watchOS 9 to their Apple Watch and give all of the new features a try before it is publicly released this fall. That said, it is in beta, so things can go wrong. You can have poor battery life, missing features, all sorts of random stuff. So don't try it unless you understand what you're trying. But if you are eager to try it out yourself, or you just want to know what the best new features are when it is released, that's what I'm going to walk you through in this video. Starting off with workouts. Apple has made a ton of changes to a bunch of different types of workouts. There's all sorts of crazy things you can do now. If you're a runner or a cycler and you take the same route multiple times, you can actually race your previous self to see if you can beat your best time going around a specific route. You can also see things like your heart rate zones while you're working out so you know where you need to focus and sit between. Or if you're a marathon runner or a triathlon, you can move between multiple types of workouts, like going from swimming to running to biking. There's a bunch of other changes as well that I just think are so cool. There's new metrics that you can see, including viewing your rings on your workout. That's huge. How many times have you been in a workout? Oh, did I hit my move ring? Did I fill my exercise ring for the day? All of that, you'd have to go back to like your watch face or jump to the activity app to actually view, and it wasn't necessarily up to date. So much better now because you can view it all in a workout. So if you're just big into Apple Fitness and workouts, for sure check out these updates to workouts with watchOS 9. Hold up. If I could just interrupt myself for one moment, I do need to thank our sponsor for this video, One More. One More is a global premium audio brand that has just recently launched their new flagship true wireless earbuds with noise cancellation. These are the One More Evo earbuds, and they're pretty outstanding. Using their dual drivers, including custom 10mm drivers, they have punchy bass, vivid highs, and were even tuned by a 4-time Grammy winner. Of course, these guys support ANC or active noise cancellation. There are multiple modes. You could put it on weak, you could put it on strong, or you can put it on adaptive, and it will change for you based on your environment. And there are even multiple modes of transparency mode or pass-through audio mode. You can have full-on pass-through audio modes like AirPods have, but there's also a voice-enhanced version, so you're primarily hearing the voices that are around you. Other benefits include 6 onboard microphones, so your voice is crystal clear on calls, and has AI-powered background noise reduction, so that you're always going to sound your best. Plus, they're bringing a big new app update with customizable EQ with multiple profiles and 12 studio-grade EQ presets tuned by a Grammy sound engineer. If you want to grab a set of these One More Evo earbuds, and I'm serious, they feel so nice, so premium in the hand. If you want to grab a pair, there's a link down below in the description. Just this week, One More is taking 20% off. That's $34 off of their new earbuds. So be sure to act now and grab them at the link below in the description. Thank you again to One More for sponsoring this video. Another feature that I am appreciating is being able to track out your medications and vitamins from your Apple Watch. Now, this is also in tandem with the Health app on your iPhone, but Apple did add a whole new medications app to the Apple Watch, where you can view your medications, add them when you've taken them and mark them as, or log them as you've taken them for the day, view last time that you took them, and if you go into any of the actual medications, you can see the last time that you took it. Did I take it for the day? Did I remember it yesterday? What time am I supposed to take it? All of this stuff. And you can have alerts that pop up on your watch that say, hey, it's time to take your medicine. And if you have, you can just tap log right there from the notification. Super cool, super useful. Medication tracking is a pretty great feature for a lot of people with watchOS 9. Another improvement is sleep tracking. Apple's had sleep tracking for a little while now with watchOS, but it could really just tell if you were asleep or awake, or maybe in bed, sleep, and awake. But now you have different sleeping zones. So you can actually track the stages of your sleep, the cycles of your sleep, from more of like a light sleep to a deep sleep, all of these different sleep modes, and you can actually view them like graphically here on the Apple Watch as well as in the Health app and iOS 16. If you ever do any sleep tracking and use third-party applications, this might convince you to switch over to Apple's first-party sleep tracking. Of course, watchOS 9 has several new watch faces as well. I really like a lot of them. There's the fun kid ones like that playtime one with the cool little balloons or characters you can tap and they bounce around the screen. And my favorites though is probably the astronomy ones, which look phenomenal, and the new gradients. I mean, these new gradient colors are just so cool. I really like them, especially paired with the different bands. So yeah, definitely explore the new watch faces. They're very nice inside of watchOS 9. Now those are the big changes. There's other stuff too. For example, you can actually finally add calendars, to add calendar appointments to the calendar app. That's a nice change. Apple's giving more preference to apps that are still running in the background while in your dock, making them a lot quicker when you switch to them, and a bunch of other improvements. Let me know what you guys think of watchOS 9 and if you're going to try it out for yourself now or if you're going to wait for the public release. Let me know in the comments or on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And if you're looking to pick up an Apple Watch, there's a bunch of Prime Day deals. If there's links down below in the description, use those and save some money on a new Apple Watch.